Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antonio. Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Hapreng upai ba belian uba ai jingkershan ye ke Shillong Lajong ha ke jingile kai quarter final jingkaduran menta ke janmit sngi balang. Ki pait ba ki sakhi ye ke jingile kai football ke ba itna tam ha ke limpung ye kai jingkaduran kam kaban long hapreng ke Shillong Lajong FC bar ke East Bengal kaban long ha JN Stadium Pulu Shillong ha ke por nyobuji janmit ha ke ba ke Shillong Lajong kalayo argul la shigol persha ke East Bengal SC. Habab haipat ke East Bengal kani ka Pynhun baklan bona West Bengal kani ka ba Ireng ha ke Indian Super League bar ha ki Lyceum yakun kala Pynliem ke Indian Air Force nangta ya ka Downtown Heroes but ya sampat Marshy Point bar ka Mohon Bagan. Ki babun ki pait ba ka jela ki penpau ki jingkmen bakani ka jingyakun hapren ki artali ki kunhun baklan bor kala kring bat pendap Smam ya kajaga syong kinong pet kai.
And white kit attacking, of course, from the left to right of your TV screens. Northeast United in their all red kit attacking from.
Two takes place. The Shillong Lajong FC are up against Imami East Bengal FC. Hello and welcome wherever you are. And this is going to be an intriguing battle out here at this particular stadium. Here's a kickoff. The Reds attacking from the left to the right of your screen. And the travelling side in the white. Crowd supporting, chanting. There's a good area. And exactly what is supposed to happen, and that has happened. And this man has done what he does well and best. Marcos Rudwere. And within the first 8 minutes, Imami East Bengal are down by a goal. Such a lovely conversion. Again, bit of a man watching in the Imami East Bengal 6-yard area. And crowd is ecstatic. Strong on the ball. Good physicality. Sana in support. He's asking questions. And bit of a pushing and shoving. Hade, Prabsukan, not the best of touches, and did it come back? Struck the cross face. The East Bengal defense looking brittle, and it has to consolidate. It is absolutely poor defending. He's marshalling his boys, the Spaniard. Again, could be a chance. Quick turn. And Nanda Kumar just couldn't pierce Manas Dubey. Crespo. Oh, brilliant. Should be finished, but it's a goal. But he is offside. The flag is up. The build-up was brilliant, incredible, superb. That was going anywhere and was almost into the own net. Under a lot of pressure there. Imami East Bengal, they're up the ante. The Imami East Bengal FC players, they know it. They're all experienced players on the pitch. Great run in. Nanda straight onto Manas. Hits his chest. Comes back to play. Murray. Vishnu. Still Vishnu. Nanda Kumar Shekhar, and that is the equalizing goal. That is a moment of magic for Imami East Bengal.
Yeah, we mentioned that high-risk tactical switch they made to go to the wing-backs, and
It's the substitute that came on. Vishnu on the opposite side, being able to try and get high and deliver the ball. And we said the opposite wing back, Nanda Kumar, arriving at the box. He'd already had a sighter earlier, only 5 minutes ago.
Goes more wide, pulls it back from the byline. And that is a important moment. That is a super sub I was mentioning. Figo Sentai. Has he put the game to the bed? What a defensive collapse there from Imami East Bengal.
Oh, Figo by name, Figo by nature, a fox in the box. You can see as it soon comes it back out. Just drifts off the wide position. Waits for people to fall asleep. Just get it right on the edge of that 6-yard box and stroke the ball home. Again, you have to question Imami East Bengal just in terms of they've got the bodies in there. They've got advantage, they've got numerical numbers there, but nobody able to get to the ball first. And what an impact Figo's had coming off that right-hand side into the box. 2-1.
Winning back position. They're winning the second balls, the third balls. And trying to keep possession. Figo sets it up. Once again, it was going in. Santi could have been a super sub again. Great save from Prafsukan Singhal. Nanda. All the players and the supporters would attain a height which could very well cross the Shillong pick. But again, that is going in. But Manas makes wonderful goal line save.
That is an incredible save, and it's obviously taken a bit of damage for his troubles. Again, the force deep inside their own box. The ball's redirected, and it looks like it's going to nestle in the bottom corner to take it to 2-2.
Gill. They're living on borrowed time, but K. Ramadasan doesn't allow any more seconds. And today it's celebration time for the Shillong Lajong. The Reds, they've conquered the Giants of Kolkata. And look at that, as I mentioned before, they prayed to the deity Lei Shailong, who is the deity of the Shillong peak, who protects the Khasi land and the people from disaster. But today, it was a great...
Yeah.